We're going to play this game called Derby Distraction. Oh, okay. I can't remember the name. I keep forgetting it. Anyway, let's see again. Let's read the name. Let's go now. Okay, we have 500,000 coins. Let's buy this car. It looks so bad. Let's play Demolition. Excuse me? Okay, there we go. Stop park. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm going to smash into this blue dude right there. You see him? Whoa, he went flying. That was a pretty bad collision. Cool. Aye. Yoy. So, there's this timer up there, and if I don't crash into the car, then the timer will end and I'm going to explode. So I need to crash into a car. Okay, thank you, blue dude. Jeez, why is it lagging? Jeez, none of those cars have been destroyed yet. Boom! Is there somebody there? Never mind, it's just part of cars. It's just some part. Jeez, look at how my health is so low. Okay, let's destroy this dude. No, let me hit somebody. No, why do I keep... am I upside down? Great, I exploded. Geez, only 1500? Back to the menu. Why did it take me all the way there? It's lagging so bad. Okay, let's play a second round of this video. Yeah, let's go. There's a freaking train in there. I'm going to... Why did I miss him? Why can't I crash into a single car? Okay, there we go. I almost died. Let's try to find... Oh, there's somebody with low health in there. This truck. Well, okay, I did hit him. There's this truck right there and this car is pushing it. Oh wait, it's destroyed. Okay, I managed to hit him, but I didn't completely destroy him. He's still intact. Oh! Did this dude like crash into me and then just get destroyed? That's what you get for crashing into me, you stupid. Jeez. It's been so long and this dude's health is still pretty high. His car is just floating in the air. He doesn't give a freak about gravity. Boom. Let's go, I managed to destroy him. Bye-bye, you blue guy. I'm blue, it's a petit guy. There's another guy, but I missed him. I just missed him. Okay, this looks right here. Look at that, I'm pushing this car around. We need to get a lot of momentum to destroy this train. A lot of momentum. Why is his health so high? This literally does 0. You know what? I give up. Oh well, I got the highest score of everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video gets 10 likes, I'm going to play this game again. So bye bye, please make sure to like, subscribe.